Do you people also miss out page number after reading? Well, I can help you to solve this problem. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to share 4 amazing bookmarks which will help you to mark pages and will also inspire you to read more. So without any further delay, let's move on to the video. These things are required for all the 4 bookmarks. A white paper, cardboard, a pair of scissors, brushes. I am having a 12 number brush and a 6, and a watercolor set. For the first one, you need to cut out a rectangle of these measurement. Also cut the cardboard equal to the paper. I am done with my work and now I will keep it aside. We will need a flower. For that, draw a circle with the radius 3.5 cm. Draw lines as shown in the video. This will help you to cut the flower even and equal. Now start drawing petals in the gap of the lines. After cutting, it will look like this. Now take a white and a blue color and mix them to a light blue shade. Now color the flower with the shade you have made. After coloring, let it dry for some while. To make it look more nice, draw some detailing in it. Now it's time to paint the paper we kept aside earlier. Apply water on the paper and add your favorite color to it. Then again apply few drops of water so that the color can mix well with the paper. Now let it dry for some while. Now, to give the flower a pop-up look, make a slit on the flower. Apply glue on one end and attach the another to it. Now take a strip of paper and fold it as shown as in the video. The end of the strip should look like this. We will attach the flower to the strip likewise. Now apply glue on the strip. And stick it to the flower. Apply glue on the cardboard to stick the color paper. Also stick the flower strip with the paper and cardboard. Make sure that the flower is on the center of the cardboard and the paper. Write a nice quote on it and your first bookmark will be ready. Here is the final look of my first bookmark. For the second one, you can make a bookmark of any alphabet. I have drawn this S and now I will cut out it. Also do the same thing with the cardboard. Now to color the bookmark, I will mix white and red color for a peach shade. After coloring, let it dry aside. Now stick the colored paper with the cardboard. To make the bookmark look more elegant and beautiful, take yarn and double it. And now cut it with the help of scissors. Take a bead and put it inside the yarn. Tie a knot at the end. Make a hole at the corner of the bookmark. Tie the yarn inside it. After decorating it little more, this is the final look of my bookmark. For the third and the fourth bookmark, cut the cardboard and the paper similarly as shown before. Color it nicely with the aqua shade. This is the final look of my third bookmark. In the fourth bookmark, I have drawn some books to give it a reading vibe. make a hole at the corner of the bookmark and attach the tassel to it. This is the final look of my fourth bookmark. I hope this video have served you any purpose, and if it has, then please like the video, subscribe to my channel and do share it. Thank you for watching.